The cutting tools for machines are used widely. They are used in the aerospace industry, car industry, and electronic industry. With the development of automation and AI technology as well as our environmental protection awareness, the method for reducing cutting fluid to eliminate smoke and oil waste discharge in the production process has become people's focus. Therefore, dry type cutting has become a hit train in the machinery field. Lots of countries whose main focus is industrial development are now investing relative research. Besides, Taiwan is working hard for the development. Now with our video, let us bring you to see the competitive advantage of Taiwanese factories, the exclusive maglev production line for cutting tools. Cutting tools on the SKD61 hot die steel are revolving at 2,545 RPM for the cutting, and during the process, no cutting fluid is used. This production method can improve the machinery production efficiency. It is the hit method people are talking about recently, dry type cutting. Since no cutting fluid is used, the quality of the cutting tool in dry type cutting is required to be higher. With a specific processing method, the chemical will go deep down to the molecular level and satisfy the crystallization requirement. For regular machines, only the surface is processed, so they usually only have the titanium plating. Lots of developed countries whose main focus is industrial development are now investing in dry type cutting research. According to the data, 10 to 15% of process in mass production in Germany uses the dry type cutting technology, and great economic benefits are obtained. Japan also has relative research, and Taiwan is working hard on its development. The one great advantage of the maglev cutting tool is that high temperature is not generated during the cutting process. After the cutting, the temperature is not high, so cutting tool seems to move faster. As a result, burrs and shavings can be reduced. Another advantage is that the processed product becomes more vertical. What's more, its RPM and feed are faster. Therefore, we can at least improve the efficiency by 50%. Take a blocking carbide rod and grind it to the required concentricity and dimensions. The product will then manufacture to become different cutting tools of different types on an automatic device. After that, a 3D scan is performed for a comprehensive inspection. When the inspection is passed, the titanium plating process can be performed. The cutting tool with the titanium plating must be washed with clean water. If any impurity is left on the product, the process after will be affected. After the washing, the cutting tool will be dried and sent into the oven. Different types of titanium will be plated on the tool. For the maglev cutting tool, a special liquid metal process and other special process will be performed to acquire a complete product. Our materials can be processed and reach HRC 65. For regular materials, they have a deflection after being processed and an inclination after milling. As a result, a second or third process is required, but our cutting tools can be cut through completely. Only one process is required. The cost of the cutting process around the globe is $140 billion. About 10% of manufactured products go through the cutting process before their completion. Cutting tools are very competitive in the machine tool field. The process of maglev cutting tools is a whole different level. A company has to be good at material science, chemical engineering, and mechanical engineering as a combination of different fields. A company manufacturing cutting tools in Taiwan over 30 years invests in the development of high-end cutting tools based on its observation for the market and price competition. The company further provides a new option for the global dry type cutting field.